You've been lost and alone in the city lights I know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Muhiri Ann, and in this channel we do homemaking videos. That's we clean, cook, and also do a bit of lifestyle videos. And in case you're new here guys, consider subscribing and put the notification bell on in case of a new video. You'll be amongst those people who get the notification. Yeah, so guys, in today's vlog we're just going to be doing bathroom deep cleaning, but I'm not sure if I'm going to combine this video with anything else. And this video was supposed to be on YouTube by Friday, but between Wednesday and Thursday I had some blackout, so I didn't have time to shoot. And I'm also a working mom, so you can imagine work, YouTube, and also being a mom and also being a wife, how balancing can become a little bit difficult. But I promised this video to be on YouTube by Sunday. So I want to do a bathroom deep clean, and with me here I have the Toilet Magic Cleaner. I found this, their brand, they are, it's a cleaning company, so I found their product on Facebook. They call themselves Magic Moppers. I'm sure most of you must have seen their page. And when I go to their page, I find so many comments, guys. And for me, when I go to your page, first thing I'll have to do is to go to the comment section and see if there's any negative comments. If I find more negativity, trust me, I can't go with your product. Same case with online purchasing. I'll have to first go to the comment section and see the kind of comments that are there. So when I went there, I found most of the comments were positive, and everybody was like, it is some magic to my bathroom, and my toilet is so dark, guys, because you have some borehole water that is so dark you can't even wash some white clothes using that water. It's so dark. So I just want to try this magic uh, cleaner. It's a 1 liter. Yeah, 1 liter is going for 300 bob, and the delivery fee depends with your location. That's what they do. I'm not even advertising them. You can clearly go to their Facebook page. It's called Magic Moppers, and they're yes, Magic Moppers, and you just find them there, and you can DM them in anywhere, Facebook, Instagram, and yes. So 1 liter is going for 300. I just wanted to take 1 liter to just try and see if it's going to be working for me. If it works for me, I'll just go for more and more liters, guys. So let's without further ado, let's just get to cleaning our bathroom. So guys, this is how my bathroom looks like. We have some borehole water that is so stubborn, and you can see clearly how dark it looks. It has never been clean, guys. Yes, so I just want to try and use this magic or see if it's going to be helping me out, guys. You can see when the floors are so dirty. I'm always here to clean, but the struggle is real. The struggle is real, guys. You can see clearly. So let's try this, and I'm not sure if it's going to be working like the way they are saying magic, like pop for the first time. But let's just give it a trial and see how it's going to be turning out, guys. So I just want to soak the toilet first while I deal with the walls.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights I know.
I have soaked the toilet, guys, but before I start cleaning the whole bathroom, I just want to wash these basins of mine. So the things I use to wash my clothes. I don't have a balcony. I don't have any balcony in this house, so most of them I keep them inside here. So I just want to wash them thoroughly and then remove them outside to have enough space for me to clean this bathroom, guys.
Getting high, feeling low, and it's out control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know, but I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out.
So to my wall, I'm not using that magic cleaner, guys. I just poured some water, and also I've mixed it with sunlight powder and also some jik to just make sure it's clean, because it's not as dirty as the floor. Yeah, that's why I didn't have to use the magic cleaner product, guys.
Your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know, but I will guide you home.
By the way, guys, I just find this scrubbing work always so difficult for me. Like, I just feel so tired while doing this job. I don't know if there's any hack I can be using, or if there's any product that you just pour on the wall and then you have to splash with water, and the stains and the dirt, all the stains and also the dirty is just removed like that. You don't have to touch and keep on scrubbing, because this is just too much work for me. For this day, my back was just aching so much, and I don't do this more often because of my back, so I have to give myself some time. So most of the time I always do it to once in a week time. Yeah, once in a week. Make sure the walls are clean. So let me know in the comment section if you also find scrubbing so difficult, or it's just that I'm the only lazy person in the house.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces.
So whenever I'm trying to deep clean my toilet, I'll have to make sure it is disconnected. It makes my work a little bit easier for me to make sure I scrub all around the toilet bowl to make sure it's well clean. And I also have to clean those connecting things, uto tu vitu connect hapo kwa hiyo kifuniko ya choo. Yes, guys, so I don't know if I'm the only person in this. Let me know in the comment section if you also disconnect your toilets. And yes, and I'm also using the sandpaper to scrub. The product came alongside with the sandpaper, but they always advise for you to use any cleaning scrubber you have in the house. But whenever you order the product, it will always come along with some sandpaper. Yeah.
Say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibition, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home.
So guys, you will realize in the introduction of this video I said it was supposed to be on by Sunday, but I didn't like, guys. To be honest, I didn't have enough time to edit the video. Nowadays I'm so busy, guys, with work, but I'm sure it will just slow down with time. Sometimes you'll find my work so loaded, but sometimes you'll find me with not much work. Yeah, so I didn't like, guys, but the video is finally here. And for my new subscribers, welcome you guys and feel at home. I really love visitors. Please welcome, and remember to put the notification bell in case of any new video. You'll be among those people who get the notification. And to my premium gang, well, thank you so much, guys, for always being here for me. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always finding my content worthy of your time. Yes, guys, so let's keep watching the video until the end, and kindly give it a thumbs up and share me out as well if you can.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home.
Just like that, guys, we are done cleaning our toilet. You can see I have tried, guys, for the first time I have seen that ako kama kalikuwa hapo hivyo ka black kametoka, and remember this was the first time, and I'm sure for the second, third and also fourth time it's going to be as white as exactly I want, guys. So this magic thing is actually working, and I will highly recommend. If you want it, guys, just go to their Facebook page and you can order yours at only 300 shillings. Yes, guys.
But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home.
So this was much later in the evening, guys. Nowadays I find myself craving for things, especially chapos. I will always sit somewhere and I feel like I just want to eat some chapos, and I don't have a exact day or time as to when I need to eat this. So for like this day, I just seated, and it was actually raining, and I thought, why not cook some chapos and we can have for supper, guys. So that is what I'm winding up with this video. Please keep watching until the end. Make sure you subscribe, guys, in case you haven't, and also like this video and leave a comment for me at the end, guys. Let me know if you like my magic cleaner.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles.
And just like that, guys, we are done cooking our chapos. For today, I'm not going to be making any stew on camera. I'm so tired, guys. Just allow me end this video here, and let me see you in my next video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about our chapos. Today's was not a soft layered chapos. was just some normal chapatis, guys. So let me know in the comment section what you think about today's video, and let me see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye, and may God bless you for me. Bye.
And it's out of your control. You should know that